today's video, I'll show you how I created this Google-inspired presentation in PowerPoint. We're going to break it down step by step, so without further ado, let's get started. First, on a blank slide, we're going to add our text. Instead of writing Google, I'm using the word Seeker as a creative name. The font I'm using here is Product Sans. I'll scale the text up and place it in the center of the slide. Now I'll add a rounded rectangle underneath it. Using the yellow handle, I'll round the corners a bit more and make the shape thinner. Next, I'll duplicate the Seeker text using Command-C and Command-V. Move it below the rectangle, remove the bold style, and reduce the size. This duplicated text will act as our navigation menu. I'll type all, images, and videos. Since we're working with 3 main slides, I'll keep the font as Product Sans and scale it down. To align everything, select all the menu text, go to Shape Format, click Distribute horizontally, and then align to middle. Now I'll color each letter of Seeker individually to make the Google style color palette. After that, I'll select the rounded rectangle, remove the outline, set the fill color to white, and add a soft shadow using shape effects. You can adjust the blur and transparency to get a clean, realistic look. Next, let's add the icons. I'll go to Google and search for the icons I need. First, I'll search for a search icon. Copy it and paste it into PowerPoint using Command-V. I'll resize it and position it inside the search bar. Then I'll search for the Google microphone logo. Copy it and paste it into the slide. After that, I'll search for the Google Lens logo and add that as well. Once all the icons are in, I'll align and position them correctly inside the search bar. Now I'll add a new text box for the search term. I'm making this presentation about London, but you can choose any topic you want. I'll format the text using Product Sans and align it both horizontally and vertically within the search bar. Now let's create 3 more slides, one for all, one for images, and one for videos. From the first slide, I'll copy the entire search bar and paste it onto the second slide. I'll scale everything down, align it to the top left, and make a few changes. Resize the search bar, reposition the icons, add an X icon, insert a thin divider line. Create navigation links, select the text, go to Insert, Link, Place in this document. All links to slide 2, images links to slide 3, and videos links to slide 4. To return to the home slide, link the text back to slide 1. Once the links are working, I'll copy the entire top navigation and paste it onto the remaining slide. Now, let's design the second slide. I'll start by creating 4 rounded rectangles that will act as content sections. I'll round the corners, remove the outline, and set the fill color to white. Next, I'll add additional rounded rectangles as placeholders. For now, I'll color them blue, so they're easy to see while designing. Now it's time to add images. I'll search for London on Unsplash, copy a landscape image, select a placeholder, and use picture from clipboard. Then I'll reposition it using crop. For the map section, I'll open Google Maps, search for London, take a screenshot, and insert it into the placeholder using picture, texture fill, from clipboard. Again, I'll adjust it using crop. Next, I'll add the text, a short description, location, population, and language. For the flag, I'll insert another placeholder, copy the image from Google Images, paste it in, and crop it. The final section, I'll add icons, resize it and reposition them, and type in the temperature. To insert the degree symbol, in Mac, use Shift Option 8. If you're using Windows, it's Alt 0176. The search slide follows the same structure. Create your placeholders and fill them with images from Unsplash or any other free image source you prefer. For video content, I'm using Pixels. Download a video and drag it directly into your slide. To give the video rounded corners, select it, Go to crop, video shape, and choose around the rectangle and adjust it using this yellow dot. To animate this text, select it, go to animations, choose appear, and open the animation pane. Set start to with previous, then go to text animations and choose bilateral. Now let's animate the other elements. First, group each element you want to animate. Apply the floating animation to all of them. For the first element, set the start to after previous, the duration to 0.5 seconds, and keep the delay at 0 seconds. For the remaining elements, set the start to with previous, set duration to 0.5 seconds, and set the delay to 0.1 second for the second element, 0.2 seconds for the third element, and continue increasing the delay for the rest of the elements. This creates this animation where everything flows in naturally. Repeat this animation setup on the other slides to keep the motion consistent. And that's it. That's how you create a Google-inspired PowerPoint presentation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.